Hey there, okay, in this video we're going to talk about two other continuation patterns, and these are referred to as the flag or the flagpole or the pennant. Okay, and I'm just going to quickly show you what that looks like on my white screen here. Alright, so initially what you need to see is a move in the trend. The trend needs to be established first. Okay, and then what we are looking for is a symmetrical triangle, kind of like this, and where the price goes basically within. Alright, and then what you'll see is that the market will actually break at that point. Then what you need to do is take the distance from the top to the bottom, and this will, let's say for instance that this equaled 100 pips. Okay, well from this point you can then project 100 pips to around about there. Okay, and then you just basically wait for to see what the market happens. So that's the pennant. I think that's how you spell it. And the flagpole is similar, yet when you see the market like shoot up here, what you'll see is something similar to this, where the market has basically come down at an angle, and these two lines are more or less in parallel with each other. Alright, so and then from here, from where it rose from to that point there, gives that kind of impression of that flagpole. Alright, but what's also good to notice is that, important to notice, is that from here to there will be your projection point for the next target. Now this doesn't always work out as planned, so you need to be a little bit more diligent. Okay, so that's the flag, and this one here is the pennant. Okay, let's go ahead into the chart and see if we can show you some examples. Alright, okay, here is one that I guess we could use. From here to there, that looks like a pennant to me. Okay, the market's come in and then it's just shot off, so that's like the pennant there. Now this one here also looks like the flagpole. If I take that off and draw another line from here down to there, and then try and draw these little points up as well, you can see that we've got a bit of a flagpole going on as well. Okay, alright, so yeah, so here is where the breakout appears, right there. Alright, let's clear that off and see if we can find some more example. Alright, okay. Oh, these will actually appear in uptrends and downtrends as well, so you have to have a bit of a sharp eye to actually find these. I don't actually use this pattern formation a lot, so here's another one here. This is the pennant. Alright, and you take the calculation, you could look at the square grids if you like, and we got 1, 2, 3, 4, let's say 5. So from this break here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, there we go, gets hit. Then it looks like we got another pennant. Okay, and then we calculate this from this point, which would be 1, 2, 3, 4. It breaks right there, 1, 2, 3, 4, and the TP gets hit. We've got another one here as well by the looks of it, but this one doesn't break, it ends up breaking below. And what this basically means is that this area here is the support that got broken. Alright, this is a support break right there. Alright, and then the trend just ends up reversing and going the other way. Alright, so let's see if we can give you some more examples, because I know this is going to be a little bit difficult to take on board straight away. So let's see if we can give you some more kind of examples. I guess this one looks a little bit like a reverse kind of flagpole, like upside down flagpole, and then it's broke, and you calculate the distance from the first initial break, which would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so that's 5 squares, and let's count from there, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh look, it gets hit. Okay. Alright, let's see, I'll give you one more example. And we'll go from there. Alright, okay. Here's a little bit of one. It's where the line comes in. That's a pennant. Okay, calculate 1, 2, 3. It breaks. 1, 2, 3. Hits, reverses, and goes back down, and then it goes back up again. So then we've got like another one here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Breaks here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Gets hit. Pretty smart, huh? No, that's pretty impressive. It's giving me goosebumps there. That keeps happening all the time. Maybe I should go back to spotting out flagpoles and pennants. It looks like a pretty good strategy. Alright, well, there you go. Okay, the flagpole and the pennant. So, play with that for a little while, and I'll see you very soon in the next video.